Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys sound and vibration setting in our Technophone device. In this video guys I will show you guys lock screen sound setting. So guys what is lock screen sound guys? Let me tell you first of all. So guys when you off your screen and guys when you on your screen your phone when you open your phone, so as you can see guys this little sound, and guys you want to off this sound guys, you irritated this sound, so guys you don't like this sound and guys you want to off it. So guys how can you off in your Technophone? In this video guys I will show you. So first of all guys you will have to on guys your phone setting to off this sound. So we will on it, then guys scroll it, then guys you can see your sound and vibration. So guys tap here, then guys again scroll it, then guys you can see your screen locking sounds, mean screen lock sound. So we will click on this blue icon to off it, then guys your lock screen sound will off. As you can see guys your lock screen sound will not work in your Technophone. So like that guys you can off your lock screen sound in your Technophone. So I hope friends who understood. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.